Today we about to unbox my new mod. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what it is already. I just seen pictures, so we about to unbox it. I'm about to see it in person for the first time. So let's look at my new mod. Let's get it. All right, let's open it. Right here. Right sides. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Hey, this is custom, by the way. Shout out to Patrick from California, from Cali. He's the one who made this for me. This is it right here. It's the e-brake. I'm not trying to take this off. I want to take it off, but I want to install it first because I'm not trying to scratch this thing. Okay, so you're going to find out with me. Well, you're going to find out what it looked like after I install it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this on there so I don't ruin what's inside here. Okay, I'm not trying to scratch it up. So yeah, it's the e-brake right here, my new e-brake. See, compared to this old one right here, look. Basic e-brake, custom. Okay, so we're going to do pretty much a middle console removal and e-brake install. Okay, I don't think I have a video to do a middle console removal. I think I did for the automatic, but this is a 6-speed. We're going to see how to take this off. Well, you're going to see how I take it off. Alrighty, so let's get it. All right, first things first. If you have this, remove it off. If you have the OEM one, I know they're hard to come out if you never removed yours. So this is gonna be a struggle taking it off if you never took yours off before. But mine, I did mine custom already, you see. So let's put that in the box. Not trying to scratch my knob. So yeah, so once you do that, let's take off this right here. Pick this up right here. Not this. Do not touch this. You gotta pop this up. Okay. Put this back. Now let's remove all the connectors that's back here. Cigarette lighter and all that stuff. Me, I have a custom switch here for my fogs. For my little fogs. So let's take off these wires back here. Okay. Alrighty. Now should be one for the connector right here. There's a connector right here. Remove that. Okay. Now I have a zip tie over here. So I'm gonna have to cut that and take this off. All right, once you do that, if you have this on there, just take off this whole thing off and just basically pull it off, remove it, and put this to the side. Okay, or in the backyard or whatever. Now, just don't really, you have to worry about that. Now, there is supposed to be 2 screws here. They're missing. So, if you have screws here, remove them. Okay. Now, so if you want, you could go to the back seat, probably make it a little easier. But I'm in the front seat. Now you gotta take off this thing right here. You can pop out this like so. Now take this back like that. Oh yeah, so this connector was supposed to be connected to this over here, right here. So you have to remove that. Mine was not connected for some reason. Did not know that. But anyways, now once you do that, we're gonna have to go inside here this up right here. Get the middle console up. And there's screws in here. You have to take off. Take a flathead or something. Pop this open. Alright. Should be like that. Pop it up. Pop it up. Now let's remove these screws off. Okay. And this one right here. Okay. Now I want to remove this just in case, you know, or scratch this thing. Okay. But I really just want to, yeah, let's take it off. Let's take that shit off. Let's take this off right here. The face. 2 screws. Take this one out and this one right here out. And remove the face. It will just open out. This connector is behind it. Disconnect it. Once you remove those, like that. Take this off here. This connectors. Take right here. And last one. And it's another one right here, small one. Just take it out. Right, take that face, put it right, whatever, wherever you want. Now, once you take off those 2 screws, make sure let's not lose these. So let's put these somewhere. I'm trying to lose those. If you want, you can disconnect the battery, but you don't really have to, because you know. It's not really that serious. Now, let's take this off right here. This rubber piece. So you have more space for the e-brake to come out. Take this off. Now, let's lift this up. Like so. Make sure you be careful because there's connectors under there. Let's go in the back seat so I can show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm in the back seat, as you see. Now let's lift this up. There's the e-brake over there, and let's pull this up like so. Okay, make sure your e-brake is like all the way up, because you need some room to take it out. Because if it's like this, if it could go all the way back, if not, you have to take the middle console, lift it up a little bit, and go towards the way it's tilted up like that. Okay, so let's try to put this back. I put this pretty tight, so it probably won't even go that much back. So let's try it. Okay, that's like tight back. So let's try to lift it up. For your connectors that back there, well under there. As you see that connector right there? That's the only connector you should disconnect. Then basically remove the whole thing. Right, so let's do that right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's a wire over here that you need to disconnect. These 2 wires in the front that come off, and this one. Pull this off. Okay, now it should be good to take it off. All right, now once you disconnect those 2 wires in the front, now you could try to lift it up. Let's see if you can lift it up. Let's go. Boom. All right. There's the middle console. Anybody who was curious how to remove the middle console of the 6-speed, there it is. Now, our main focus right here, the e-brake. Boom. See the 12s? 12 mil, this connector right here. Okay, now let's put this e-brake down. Alrighty. You have to loosen this cable right here. It's 10 mil. And pretty much put this right in there. It just matched up, okay? Just put it right there, right in there. And it should be good. Okay, now let's get the 12 and the 10 mil. Alright, now let's move these connectors off the e-brake. Or this connector. Sensor. Alright. Let's loosen this 10 up right there first. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's leave that like that. So we're gonna slip it off. Now let's take the 12. Loosen these 12s. You can use a ratchet first, then do this, but it's faster for me. Okay, it should be 3. 12 should be coming off. Okay, once you do that, it should just come off. Okay, like so. Oh, don't forget there's a wire stuck on there. Make sure you take that off. This thing's like right here in this corner. Right, once you do that, you should be able to just come out. Make sure this thing goes right through. Okay, boom. There you go. Okay, there's the old one. And there's the new one. Alright, we're gonna unwrap this. Stay tuned. As you see. Boom. Boom. Alright. Now let's put this in. Okay, now, so basically, same way you took it out, put it back in. Put this in there first. Like so. What we gotta do is just slide it in there. It should just slide right in. Alrighty. Now let's put the 12mm bolts. Okay. A little more. Okay. Now let's put the connector back where we took it off from. Okay. As you see, we have a coat now for the e-brake. See that? We have a coat for it. Okay, now let's put the 10mm on top of here. Okay, that's tight. Okay, now let's put the middle console back and we're going to unwrap the final design on this. Okay. Okay, now let's put everything back. Same way we took it out, we put it back in. I'm not going to show you how to do that because it's common sense. If you have trouble putting it back in, take off this right here. The 2 10s right here. I already took them off right here. And it should be more room to take it out. Okay, so I'm going to take this out and put it back. Put everything back. Okay, once you put it down, as you see, it's right here. Boom. Make sure this works. Okay. That works. Now let's continue with the back. Put this bracket back. Put the bracket back and continue. Okay, once you put everything back, make sure you connect this because I was not connected. Okay, we're gonna put this on, then go to the front and finish. See, lucky I kept this wrapper on there because look at this. This would have been scratching it. You see this? You have to put this thing right back. So, see, look at this. You have to, see? That thing would have been scratched up. Nah, yeah, let's put this back there. Okay, now, let's take this off. Let's see how it looks like in person. All right. Look at that. Look at that red. Look at that red. Look at that carbon. Woo! Look at that. Then it's a bonus right here. Boom. Let's go. You already know I had to have that. Infinity sign. Match my headlight. This is how it looks. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So make sure you adjust it. It's adjusted good, how you like it. Okay, it's good. Alrighty.